Otto's Orange Day. Chapter 1. My favorite color. Orange was Otto the cat's favorite color. Without orange things, the world would be boring. Orange is pretty, it's bold, and it's strong. Now check out this ditty. It's my orange song. I like orange flower, and I wear orange socks. And I built a tall tower, all of bright orange box. So just give me orange. It's bright and it's pretty. Just give me orange, and I'm one happy kitty. Ding dong. Now who could that be? Package for you. Wow. Package for you. Wow, and it's orange. And it's wrapper in orange. I wonder what it is. I wonder who it from. Great, an orange lamp. And this note says it's from Aunt Sally Lee. Dear Otto, I found this old lamp in the strange little store. I thought you would like it because it's orange. So you might want to give it a good dusting of love. Aunt Sally Lee. Good idea. I just dust it off her poof. Greetings, Master. I am the genie of the lamp. Your wish is my command. Your wish is my command. What? You freed me from the lamp. I have to grant you a wish, but each owner gets only one wish, so choose wisely. Get a wish? Now, what orange thing should I wish for? I got it. I wish that everything in the world is orange. Your wish is my command, oh master. Take a look. Oh, this is gonna be great. And there were orange planes and orange cranes, orange bats and orange hats, orange cars and orange stars, orange homes with orange drawers, orange skirts and orange shirts, orange clowns in orange grounds, orange ducks and orange trucks, orange bees and orange trees, orange monkey, cows and lizard. In the winter, orange blizzards. Chapter 2. Be careful what you wish for. Everything's orange. Everything's great. But now it's time to eat. Boy, I could use some lunch. This has been quite an exciting morning. Let's see what I have today. Aha, an orange popsicle. Jam. Otto, give me that popsicle. What popsicle? You can have it for dessert, but first you have to eat your lunch. Oh, Mom, here you go. an orange lamb chop, orange spinach, orange mashed potatoes. Oh, I don't forget your to drink your orange milk. Perhaps some things might be better if they were not orange, but orange has to be the best. Let's try the lamb chop. Choo choo chomp grub. Blush! Nope, I was wrong. I'm just not ready for orange lamb chop. I'll go to take a walk. It will help me forget my hunger. Beep! How come there are so many crazy drivers on these streets? Crash! Oh, so that's it. All the traffic lights are orange. That's really dangerous. Hey, Chester, what's up? Otto, what are you doing? Say, Chit, how do you feel about this new orange world we're living in? What do you mean? Haven't you noticed? Everything is orange now. What are you talking about? Well, everything is orange and it's giving me the blues. Giving you the what? The blues. What do you mean? What's the blues? The blues, you know, it makes me sad. Oh, you mean you've got the orange? I guess so. Don't worry, Otto. Things will all work out. But now I gotta go. My mom is making orange berry pie. Saying, so long, Chit. Orbit. Be on the lookout for the escaped orange criminal, the orange robber. He or she has orange hair, an orange eye, and is wearing orange. The orange bandit could be anywhere or anyone. Is it too dangerous out here? I'm going home. Hey, which is my house? They're all orange. Phil, finally I made it home. I've got to go to my room and find my lamp. Oh no, everything is orange. How will I find the lamp? At last, I found it. Now what will I do? The genie only gave me one wish and I used it. Maybe I'll ask Aunt Sally Lee for help. Aunt Sally Lee, this is Otto. Listen, it's about the lamp you sent me. Oh, see? Don't worry, I have an idea. I'll be right over. Chapter 3, A New Wish. Now we'll see if we can fix things. Here, Otto, take this nickel. Sure. I just brought the lamp from the jar and a nickel. Now on to the rest of the plan. Rub, rub, rub. See you again. Sorry, kid. Just one wish. Poof! It's written right here. Each owner gets only one wish, and that's it. Aha, but Otto just sold me the lamp. You mean now I gotta give you one wish? Alright, you get one wish and that's it. So choose wisely. I want to undo Otto's wish. I wish everything in the world was not orange. Here go, Aunt Sally. And you wish? Well, I guess everything is not orange now. It is. Now I'm really blue. But we meant, and you did, and I did what you said. You need to be more specific. You said you wanted everything not to be orange. Oh, come on, Jenny. Be nice. You know what I meant. All you people do this complain. You are never happy. Humans are so selfish. In all the years on the job, did anyone ever think about me? If someone ever tried to do something for me, I might bend the rules. You have been in that slum a long time. When is the last time you eat? 880 years ago. I have an idea. Whisper, whisper. Maybe if you were more specific, people could get you what you want. Chill out, you too. The problem is as good as solved. Ding dong! Pizza! Just what I wanted. But we can't have blue pizza. Now can we? Pizza pub. Poof! Smells so good. Smells so good. Smells so good. Wow, this looks great. Red, yellow, green, pink, purple, brown. Everything was all the same. It's really turned out pretty lame. Orange is great and so is blue and all the other colors too. You said a mouthful, Otto. The end. Thank you for listening.